Cystic fibrosis is an inherited disease. It is caused by inherited disorder. Incidence rate in the world. Cystic fibrosis will affect so many organs, for example, digestive tract, bile duct, lungs, sweat glands, reproductive system. 23 pair chromosomes made of the inherited genetic chemical DNA and CF gene is present on number 7 of chromosomes. CF carrier is not the CF patient, but he or she will pass the CF to their next generation or children. Scientists evidence that the probability of 2 CF carriers pass CF to their children is 1/4. Nowadays, genetic testing is provided in America and the parents can do it before or after the kid's born. There are no medicine can completely cure cystic fibrosis, but they can dose antibiotic and do the vapotherapy to control the infection. Other than that, CF child must do more exercise and maintain the balanced diet. Thus, it can reduce the severity of the disease. Respiratory signs and symptoms.
The thick and sticky mucus associated with cystic fibrosis clogs the tubes that carry air in and out of the lung. Repeated lung infections. This is due to accumulation of mucus. Mucus provides favorable breeding condition for bacteria. Digestive signs and symptoms. The thick mucus can also block tubes that carry digestive enzymes from your pancreas to your small intestine. Without these digestive enzymes, the intestine can't fully absorb the nutrients in the food consumed. The greasiness is caused by the blockage of the pancreatic duct. This causes a lack of digestive enzyme, causing incomplete digestion. Trypsin and chymotrypsin in stool. Samples of stool are placed on a thin layer of gelatin. If trypsin or chymotrypsin are present, the gelatin will clear. An abnormal results means the trypsin or chymotrypsin levels in your stool are below the normal range. This may mean that your pancreas is not working properly. Other tests may be done to confirm that there is a problem with your pancreas. Secretin stimulation test.
Genetic characteristics of cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is caused by mutations in the CFTR gene, which encodes a chloride channel located on the surface of certain epithelial cells. There are more than 1,000 different mutations in the CFTR gene that can cause CF. The most common mutation in about 70% of CF patients is called delta F508. This change is caused by the deletion of 3 base pairs from the CFTR gene DNA. This leads to the loss of an amino acid called phenylalanine in the CFTR protein. Each person receives 1 copy of the CFTR gene from each parent. To have CF, both copies of the genes must be mutated in some way, but the mutations do not have to be the same. If a person received 1 normal gene and the 1 mutated gene, these people will not have any CF symptoms, but will be considered carriers. Anatomy of cystic fibrosis. Sinuses. Lung. There are pancreatic problem, diabetes mellitus and intestinal problems. Pancreatic problem. Diabetes mellitus, intestinal problems.
Treatment for cystic fibrosis. Antibiotics are the primary treatment for cystic fibrosis. Chest physical therapy. Exercise.
Ongoing research. In 1993, the first gene therapy treatment was given to a CF patient. The research strategies